there, welcome to phase 2 of 100 days of coding challenge by VCode. Today is day 1 and let's see the question number 2. So this question is similar to the previous question which we did. So the first question of the day 1. So now let's see what changes do we have in this question. So develop a Java program that manages or stores inventory. So previously we did for the libraries inventory. This time we have the stores. We have to create a class called product with static members to track the total number of products and their information. So the description is given. Design a product class with constructors to initialize product details like name, price, and quantity. So this time the properties of this product class is name, price, and quantity. We need to also utilize a static member to count the total number of products in the store. So the question is exactly the same. We just need to change the terms in it. So the input format must be having the product details, which is name, price, and quantity. The output must display all the product details and the total count of products after adding each new product. The constraint is that the price and the quantity must not be negative values. So you can see the test cases. If the product name is laptop, the price is $800, and what was the third? It was the quantity. So the quantity is 15. Then the output is product added, quantity, and the total products. So let me quickly say what do we have to do in this question. So we have to create a stores inventory. So stores inventory. So we need to create a class for the product. So this is a product class. So what all properties does this product have? It has a name, it has the cost, and it has the quantity. So quantity, Quantity. Okay. So now for this is a template which we have created. So we have to create objects for this product, and we have to create the objects, and we have to keep track of how many objects we created also. So this is the basic idea. Now let's do the code. So let me create the Java file. Let me name it as stores inventory.java. So now I'll write the main method. So this main method is the entry point for the JVM while executing the code. So I have written this class. So now it's time to create the blueprint for the product. So class product. Okay. So what all things does it have? So let us see. So it has a name, price, and quantity. So name is a string. So string name, and price, int price. So you can write it as price, and quantity is also int. So quantity. And then we have to create a static member for the total count of the products. So static, so total products equals 0. At the start, the total products is 0. So the data type for this is also int. Now it's time to create the constructor to initialize the objects with the parameters. So the constructor is product. It will take the input string name, int price, int quantity. So now, so the object's name will be initialized with the name given as a parameter. The object's price will become the price given, and the object's quantity will become the quantity passed here. After whenever this constructor is called while the product creation, so when the object is declared, then the total products will become +1. So that's it, total products ++. So now it's time to create new product. So let me write a product and let me name it as laptop equals new product. So we can actually name it as P1. So it's better, no? And now the name, so what shall we give? So let me give it as laptop. Let us give the price of the laptop as, what shall we give? So let me give it as 40,000. And then the quantity as 2. So now I have to display the details. So display details. So this function I haven't written. So let us write quickly the function. So void display details. So this one must be p1.details because we are going to display the details for that particular object. So display details. Here we are going to print. So what is that? The product name plus it will be the name and then the price. So it is the price and then the quantity and it is the quantity itself. Plus we also need to declare the total products. And that is total products variable. That's it. So that is what is written here. So now let me create 2 other products here. So product T2 equals new product. So let me give the product name as a smartphone. Okay, so let us give smartphone. And the price will be, so let us give 10,000. And then the quantity as, so let us give 10 phones. And T2.display details. Let me create another product. Product T3 equals new product. And then this time let me give it as a car. So let me give the price as, so let me give a costly car. So let it be 10 lakhs. Let the quantity be 1. That's it. Now I'll display the details for that also. T3.display details. That's it. So now let's run the code and check. So Java C source inventory.java and Java stores inventory. So now you can see we had displayed the details for all the products which we created. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.